Day 362, meditation on practicing Buddhism. If we rush into Vajrayana without establishing a solid foundation of practice, we might think that we can attain Buddhahood easily in one lifetime and in one body. As it is said in the scriptures, it is also possible to identify the imaginary deity on whom one meditates with the creator of the universe, and to think that if we have faith in that deity, he or she will bestow powers upon us, a long life, prosperity, and I don't know what else. At that point, we are no longer focused on the main objective, which is freedom from the mental poisons, and we are attaching too much importance to secondary things. Meditation on practicing Buddhism. Meditate on that.